St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a nation of many islands seeking to diversify and transform. Journey with us as we develop our very own national export strategy, also referred to as the NES.
The National Export Strategy was developed in close collaboration with ministries, departments, and the private sector, and it is an all-inclusive strategy. The development of the National Export Strategy is extremely timely. This was made possible by the assistance provided by the African, Caribbean, and Pacific Group of States under the TradeComII Programme. With the National Export Strategy, the government hopes to revitalize the economy of St. Vincent and the Grenadines into a more globally competitive and prosperous economy for poverty reduction and sustainable development.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines, like many of its sister islands of the Caribbean, is at a crucial period of development. With the main island, St. Vincent, and a chain of 32 islands and keys, the Grenadines, we have weathered the early challenges of a post-colonial economy. However, the challenges of this century, including natural disasters and significant changes in the international economy, calls for bold, decisive, and well-ordered planning. Though we are a small island developing state, we are up for the challenge and will continue to work towards comprehensive and sustainable transformation. St. Vincent and the Grenadines has a few light manufacturing firms. This sector contributes approximately 4.3% to the GDP annually. It is our hope to continue to exploit the traditional markets such as the European Union and enhance our trading opportunities with the non-traditional markets.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines is open to doing business. In St. Vincent and the Grenadines, we are blessed with very fertile soil, and our blue economy is being explored. Currently, we export globally fish and fish products. We have witnessed major investments in cocoa, coffee, and wood crops. We are proud of the excellent commodities that we have in our country. We are awaiting your investment and we are ready to trade.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines has always been a leader in agricultural exports to the OECS and our CARICOM neighbors and beyond. The country has been consistent in its exports of food and live animals. Though exports have mainly focused on primary products, the agro-processing and fisheries industries have the potential to become leading industries in the agricultural sector.
One of the more diverse offerings that it relates to the tourism sector. Our niche markets are in ecotourism, and we have our waterfalls, we have our nature trails, we have our La Soufrière volcano, we have a lot of rivers, and this offers a lot where ecotourism is concerned. So when you look at all of these factors, I think that, as I indicated, the investment climate is absolutely right here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and as Minister of Tourism, Sports and Culture, I offer the opportunity to all potential investors out there, see for yourself, get the information, do the assessments, and we are ready and welcome to do business with you and welcome you with open arms to destinations in Vincent and the Grenadines.
Services continue to be the main contributor to the GDP of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Therefore, the strategy focuses on the continued development of this sector in the areas of tourism, spa, health and wellness, professional services, ICT, and the creative and cultural industries. Our tourism sector is in an exciting phase of growth and expansion, providing opportunities for thousands of Vincentian workers and entrepreneurs. The number of stopover visitors, cruise ship passengers, and visitors by yachts continue to increase yearly. With the growth and development of the spa and wellness industry and the culture and creative industry, the NES will be a gateway for bringing more awareness to other potential international markets for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Discover St. Vincent and the Grenadines through trade.